Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you what's in our fridge. So, yeah, this is our Barbie fridge and I'm going to show you what we have in it. So, this is a really good size. It's like, compared to the Barbie doll, that's like just the right size that it would be if she was a real person. It's like, just the right size. And then you obviously know about this bit that turns around into an ice cream sundae bit. And then it's got these metal handles, which make it really easy for you to open and close. Then the back is just plain, nothing exciting there. And then when you open it, I'm going to show what we have stocked inside. So we have the ice cream bit. And then we have these fillings here. Then we have some water bottles. These were filled with that fairy dust and stuff. But yeah, now it's just filled with water. That has for some reason gone off funny. Oh yeah, that's gross, look. Oh, I think I know what it was. I think she'd filled it up with something cool and then it all like went away. It's just gross. Then we have this Barbie doll flask. We got this something a while ago. And then we have these little bottles of cardboard water that we made. There. And then here we have the strawberry roll thing with 2 strawberries in it. A tub of ice cream, some bread, chocolates, and these adorable eggs. Give me a sec. Sorry about that. They're the eggs. You can't take them out, but they are really cute. Then here we've got kiwi juice, whipped cream, cherry juice, milk, fried eggs, a piece of bread, some honey, and some slices of pizza. I'll show you a piece. How cool is that? It's margarita. And then that's one side, and the other side we have got some pizza that we made and some cherries that we made, and they're very flat. That one's like it's actually in a box, but it's got nothing inside it. A sushi tray, a water bottle, Monster High water bottle, 2 milk bottles. We've got some mayonnaise, mustard, peanut butter, a thing of either apples or strawberries, I can't figure out what they are, and some cereal. Now you can see it anywhere. They're bright red. And then here, this is like some leftover icing from a cake we once made. So we put it in here to pretend that it was actually like that. It's still kind of wet, but it's like all greasy and stuff. So yeah, and that's just in a bowl. And then this thing of raspberries that we made, and a banana split. That's really, really cool. And look at how the colour changes. There to there. Yeah, anyway. So that's what's inside our Barbie doll fridge. We got this at Smith's Superstore. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.